welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explore into three different AIs, artificial intelligence, just for understand a little bit how do they work. So basically I will try two artificial intelligence of OpenAI, that is one of the greatest companies of artificial intelligence. Second, I will try this one that is from InVideo that makes videos. So let's start with the classic one that is ChatGPT. So I am going to start with a simple thing that is explain. So as probably you saw in other videos, there are basically three steps. One of them is put the AI in context. So I'm going to start with that step. So you are a student from 8th grade and you are learning about the discovery, conquest and colonization of America, more specific of South America. You already saw various topics like Christopher Columbus and the mixes of different cultures interaction. Also, you know the main causes for the exploration. But now you want to know more and in more detail how did the Catholic Church took part on this situation. Please explain about this topic. So I'm going to send this, and here it's going to explain me the main thing I need to know. So I put it in context, and it made here some key aspects. So the religious motivation, the Padroado Real, clerics, the missionary activities, the religious justification for conquest, doctrine of discovery, the syncretism, institutional support, establishment of ecclesiastical institutions. So now that I learned in big topics about this topic, so now I'm going to make this. Okay, I understood. Now could you write an essay as a reading comprehension activity? By now, just write the essay. So here now it's going to write a complete essay just for check the understanding from what it just explained. And here's okay. Now here is the conclusion. So, as I see, it explains very good, gives time, reasons, the four basic uh, columns of understanding history: historical agents, events, causes, and consequences. So now, as I said, by now, so now I'm going to ask, okay, the student just made the reading. Can you please write 10 questions for check the understanding? Don't give the answers until I ask again. What motivated European powers to explore and colonize distant lands during the Age of Discovery? Describe the Pandora real system and its significance in the context of South American exploration. Which Catholic orders were prominently involved in missionary activities in South America and what role did they play? Explain the concept syncretism and how it manifests in cultural landscapes of South America. How did the Catholic Church provide moral and legal justification for the conquest of South America? And it continues until the 10th. In what ways did syncretism contribute to unique cultural landscape of South America? So, as I can see, there are very varied questions for this topic. And now I'm going to ask for the questions. Okay, I think I have the correct answers. Obviously, this you're going to write this after you think you have the correct answers. And I have the correct answers. Please give them to me. So now here it will appear the question, and after this will be appear the answer. So I think that this is very important for understand. First, you will have the main idea. You will have a very good concrete essay for check your understanding. Then some 10 questions. I prefer 10 because it makes it bigger and more complete. And then you will ask for the 10 answers. I think that my opinion for ChatGPT is that in the correct use, it will give you the correct ways for understand. Now, I think that it's time to move to the second one, that it's DALL-E, from the same company that it's OpenAI, but DALL-E doesn't make texts, answers, or essays, but it makes images. So I am going to ask, as we are in the line of the discovery of America, so I will ask for an impressionist art, impressionist, how could I say it, drawing of the arrival of to the Americas as a background, the ocean and ships, Spanish ships. Then a second background with the Spanish conquistadors taking to taking control, and finally the Indians in the middle of the jungle watching them. So let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, describe the context in which an item appears: a blue orange slice in half laying in a blue floor in front of a blue wall. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Let's check them. First one, I think this one is like a drawing for a child. I think it's not very impressionist. This one is pretty better. I think it's better, yes. This one I think is the best one. It is the more near to impressionist, and this one is the last one. I think this one is also pretty good, but let's put now realistic. I think I'm going to download this one, that, and also this one. Definitely this one. Not. So let's see this. Digital art for striking and high quality images. Okay. A phone. Okay. This one didn't charge. That is it. Well, let's check. Oh, what happened? Okay. Faults. One. Okay. What? It's this flag is in Spanish. These flags are in Spanish. I don't. This one is strange. It's weird. Discharged. Okay. This one is better, I think. And finally this one. Okay. Really? I am going to quit this and digital art. Digital art. Okay, let's see. Describe the material. Okay. Yes, because here talks about fur. I think that from these ones I'm going to download this one so for have evidence. Okay, this one is very pretty better. I like this one. The faces are strange, but the background, look, this ship. Okay, it's like sinking. It's strange. I don't understand, and I think this one is the best one, but I think that the best one is this one. Okay, it's not very clear all the images, but I think is that the one that approximates more to a painting. So I think that basically DALL-E works correctly. I really think it was going to give us worse things. Okay. I think it's going to be worse. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's see if they already took information from DALL-E could make better images than the ones we received. I think it's more probable that we're going to receive a lot better quality images, because here says 3D render and digital art. It's taking too long. Well, I'm going to pass to the next AI. So I think that DALL-E works pretty good. And I think also that, as it said, with more information, as with ChatGPT, it will work better. So now to this one, AI in video. Okay, so let's start. Okay, no, back. Okay, so I am going to continue with the line of Discovery of America. So A, okay, A, probably already charged. I think it's better. More ideas, very clear, better. Let's return to that. Video of a simulation cinematic of the arrival of Christopher Columbus to America. Show ocean ships, Spanish people, Spanish conquistadors, and the natives from America. Let's see if this works. I think that it's going to be a little bit longer because text is fast, images a little bit not that fast, but completely videos are very slow. So it says that already made the analysis, the title, and it's preparing. What do you think it's going to show us? I think that probably is going to show us like, okay, epic, okay, continue, okay, and the fish, okay, 5% of the video is ready. Planning a script, so I don't understand. Well, I'm going to stop the video by now and I will continue when the video is already made. So please wait a little bit. I play the video by now because it's in the 50-60% and it's dividing the video in a sense. I think adding media tracks. Okay, so let's wait a little bit more because it's in the 70%. I'm gonna stop and we will continue. Okay, the video already charged. I haven't watched it, so it will be also a surprise for me. Let's see this. Well, it starts with iStock. Okay, images. Does it have sound? Okay, it have. I think it's pretty good. Probably you're not hearing in this moment the audio of the video, but it have a very good script, really. I think it's good. Well, it's very good. It have voice. I think I'm going to publish this video in the channel just for you to watch it. And I think it's pretty good. I like it very much. Okay, so let's see if I can export it. Export video. Stock watermarks. What's this? Normal. not sure what's gonna. Okay, I will need to download. So I think that the video will stop here because this is going to take longer. So I'm going to stop the video right here. I hope that you understand all about the topic. I really hope that it's clear. I was using these three AI generators, and okay, this took 20 minutes and a half, so I think it's not that long I thought. So I hope that you understand, know the web pages, and also hope that you have time for check them. And I wish that I could present you the video that was made from AI. So have a nice day, and take control over your life. Know what you're expecting from AI and do your best when you are doing with AI. So bye.